Hi there, and welcome to Statistics. We're going to look at our third and final z-score example today. So, using our same sample of healthcare workers, we're going to look at what is the probability of randomly choosing, in just one attempt, a healthcare worker whose annual income falls between $18,000 and $23,000. Now, this problem is a little different from the previous two. We still have a mean of 20,000 and a standard deviation of 1,500. But now we have two values for x. So before we do anything, let's go ahead and draw this out. So our mean is here in the middle, 20,000. We have one value of x at 23,000. Call that x1. So that's one we're looking for. And then we have another x value of 18,000. So that's the other one. And we are looking for the probability between these two x's. Okay? But our z-score formula can only handle one x at a time. So how are we going to do this? Well, let's take it all one step at a time. Let's start out with the 18,000 and calculate the probability of finding a salary between the mean and 18,000. So the mean is 20,000. Okay? So x is 18,000. The mean is 20,000 over our standard deviation of 1,500. Doing the subtraction, we end up with negative 2,000 over 1,500. And this gives us a value of negative 1.33 as our z-score. Now we've seen this value before. For the positive 1.33, we know the probability is 0.4082, or multiply by 100%, 40.82%. But we have this other x. So what's our probability of finding someone with a mean between, salary between the mean and 23,000? Well, that is 23,000, our second x, minus 20,000 over 1,500. And so z equals 3,000 over 1,500. And then if we divide that, that equals a value of positive 2.00. The probability associated with that in our chart in column B is a probability of 0.4772. And if we multiply that by 100%, that is 47.72%. Now, because we have this probability, and we can use the addition rule, we can simply take the two separate probabilities and add them together. And so when we do that, it gives us a total of 88.54%. So the chance of finding somebody with a salary between 18,000 and 23,000 is 88.54%. So we do two separate z-score calculations and add them together when we have a situation like this, where we have two x's that cross the mean. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.